Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y72 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit and focus on photo category. At the second position here we have framing lines option, so by using the button from the right we can turn on and turn off our camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on, and when we move back to the camera preview, we have these lines here. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid here, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to the right corner settings, to the photo category, tap to framing lines to turn them off, and for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.